Hello everyone, my name is Sajaduma and on behalf of our team, Desi Developers, I am very excited to be part of this Hackfest, and we have selected a challenge that we think will be in somehow help the community fix some problem related to remote work. So in my team, I have Tayyib Jat, Hamza, Muhammad Hamza, and myself Sajad Umar. Tayyib Jat is a very fine UX UI designer who participated in designing the whole thing for us, and Muhammad Hamza worked on core part of the project. Including some backend related code and some UI related changes. I worked on databases related things and the stuff related to cron jobs and wake tasks and server deployment, all the stuff, all that cool things. So, problem statement. Um, we wanted to fix how we can improve the remote work experience for employees nowadays, as most of us are new to remote work. So we have to find some way to make it fun. With its benefits, it also comes with some side effects like depression, feeling alone. There is no one to have a quick chat or some coffee. So we decided to take on this challenge and provide a solution that can make remote work fun. So the solution we came up with is something like that it allows you to register your company, add your employees to the platform, add some monthly and daily rewards, and we distribute them in fun and engaging way. First of all, I would like to tell you that why we chose this and what was the selection process of this challenge. We had a meeting, all three of us, uh, and we explored everything, all other challenges as well. But we like the idea of contributing to make remote work fun, as we picked that remote based challenge. The thought process was clear. Uh, we want to reduce the loneliness in remote work, and so the idea was to let users engage in quite fun activities so that be, they can engage with each other along with uh, and get some exciting rewards in the process. The rewards are there to present aha moment that everybody needs to cheer themselves up. So, a design architecture. Design wise, the our core expertise lies in Ruby on Rails, so we chose this as a framework of our choice. So we use PostgreSQL as our database. In our database schema, we have company, employees, challenges, and company challenges where we store all daily challenges and submissions. All this process, we have some rewards and winners to announce. So the revolves around the concept of selecting random people very smartly that no one daily and assign them a challenge. They get an invitation link in their email about the challenge. When they click that link, a page is presented to them, and they can basically perform that challenge, record a short video. That video will be posted into employees dashboard where everybody can engage with that submission, react to that, and add their feedback. So at the end of the day, cron job runs and create a poll for every company uh, so that people can vote their favorite participant, and on based of that polling, we evaluate a winner, and a winner basically gets some recognition and a daily reward set by the company. This cycle repeats every day until we reach the end of the month, and then the system automatically picks a random person, which is quite done quite smartly, so that it factors in the number of engagements and reactions to that particular submission. So a random person is picked from the pool of winners, and a monthly reward is assigned to them. In that way, the rewards can be of multiple types: bonus, day off, a half day leave, or something like that that will cheer up and relax the person working at from home. So that's pretty much it um, about the concept. The front end is this, and back end we use following technology. For the back end, we use Ruby on Rails. For database, we used PostgreSQL, and for the front end part, we use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Ajax, and jQuery. We also use cloud storage, AWS S3, and Heroku for deployment. Along with that, we used Figma for designing UI and UX. We use Concept Board to discuss multiple concepts within the team. We use Git for versioning, and Meet, Skype, and Slack, and WhatsApp for the team communication. For the code demo, let's visit this public repo. So in the code, as you can see, we have all these controllers that handle multiple sections of the requirement. If we go to like lib rake tasks, we have multiple tasks that this task is basically responsible for creating challenges, assigning people, and creating company-wide challenges and sending emails. This task is responsible for creating daily polls. These are basically hosted on Heroku, and these are hosted on Heroku, and they run periodically to Heroku scheduler. Uh, Once they run, they add some data to database, which is reflected in dashboard to employees. So uh, Hamza will probably give you the demo of entire application that we have done, and Tayyab will explain how we design the UI and UX of the project. That's it from my side. Have a good day.
Hello everyone. So I can represent our design about what's our idea and what's going on in your mind. So first we will land on this page and we will show how to register your company and the input fields, the email, phone number and upload your photo or a logo. The logo option will be optional because many people don't have a logo. And on the right side I have shown some pictures about how the remote work is a fun work. We use some attractive pictures to gain the user attention. After that we will proceed and move to the next screen. On the next screen, we don't have any data because when the user comes first time, they don't have any data. So we have shows some icons to not make board screens, like it will attract the users. And after that, when we click on the add employees, there is a form appear, and we will take the information from the user, email, name, and a description, and also upload your photo. And these are the current employees. Like when we add the employees, they will be paired like there, and we can also add the employee from here. And same thing when we go to add rewards, this form will be appear. We have two type of rewards, daily rewards and a monthly rewards. So when we will add the employee after submitted, there is a message shown employee added successfully. It will be like there for 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Also then when the new employee will be added, we will like make the outline orange color to make them appealing. And also same for the rewards, when we submit it, there is a reward adding successfully message shown here. After that, we will move to next screen. When we click on any user, we will we will get some data here, like the name of the user and its detail. And these are the rewards we have created in the last screen: the daily reward and the monthly reward. And like it will be a day of a trip or anything else. After that, we will move to our next screen. Now we will move to this tab, challenge and polls. It's a daily challenge or a monthly challenge. Here we will put the challenge name and the short description, and up, and take the like access to user to upload their video for a challenge. And these are all the summation of the challenge, and these are the users. When we click on the user, like we will vote the user. So here are the total votes, and on the next screen we will show our winners. Like the winner will be shown with the votes. So myself is Mohammad Hamza, a senior software engineer. So let's start with the demo. Uh, this project is based on a Ruby on Rails framework, which is a web framework written in Ruby, and we are using a PostgreSQL as a database. For the front end, we are using the HAML or the CSS extensions and using a basic JavaScript library jQuery. So this is a dashboard for the company in which all the employees are visible for a company, and you can register a new employee for a company, or you can delete an employee. For example, let's delete this employee. So this employee is deleted, and you can just like add new employee using this link. So and we are already we just like created the challenges and the winners using the rake task. So because of the shortage of time, we cannot show you regarding the creation using the web UI. So now let's move the employee perspective, so we can show what is happening there. So this is the employee perspective, and as we have already run the rake task in which we just like show what is the today's challenge for the employee, and the today's challenge is the truth, and we have to tell us the truth that we never told anyone. And the participants that is participating in this challenge are the following names.
So this is kind of the remote fun activity for the employees, in which we just like engage them in an activity in which they have to tell the truth. And this is kind of this is written in a scheduler which run on every beginning of the day, in which challenges are thrown at the employees dashboards, and they have to like complete the challenges, and they just like enjoying doing that. So we have already run the day task, so let me show that thing too. So this is, for example, this is a challenge in singing, and we are just like have a description, let's sing a song in a malicious video. So let's start that challenge. Hello, this is fun. Da, 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 da. Okay, stop and save. So we're just like syncing and the video is uploading, and it will just like redirect us to the back page when we click OK. So this is a video we just like lastly uploaded. So that is kind of first stuff we are building, and we are planning to extend this product into a full-fledged gateway in which employees can having a fun during their work at their homes. So that's all. This kind of the basic schema, which already be explained by the Sajjad. We are just like using Active Storage or the S3 Amazon service for storing the images or the videos, and we are using Heroku as a hosted platform for our domain. And these are kind of the basic models. That's all the stuff. Thank you.